Hello everyone, this is Don Hayes, and in this video I'm going to be going over the Excel Specialty Toys Network template file that you can use to populate with your product data and submit to be included into the Specialty Toys Network program partner system. Again, this is a free service to you, has great marketing value, and it also has a lot of service value to retailers. Hundreds of them. So let's get started. First of all, on our new partner website, to get to the proper place to download the file, you'll be able to go to Help, Product Submission. And here we'll always have the Excel file, the most recent and updated one from this location that you can download. So let's open up the file and take a look at it. Here we go. This is the Excel file opened up. Let me get this here. So the way this Excel file works is there are 5 tabs, and the first 2 tabs, the toy game data template and the book data template, are the ones that you'll want to populate with your product information. And the third tab is called field descriptions. This describes what each field is. The ones in red are the ones that are required. So we'll need these fields populated before your product data can even be in the system. It's the minimal requirement. You'll see as I scroll down, there's only, like I think 1, 2, 3, 4 requirements to be in the database. The other ones are very important. I'd say short description and long description are very important. But those are elements that a retailer can create too if you do not have. So let's the fourth tab is company brands or your manufacturer information. So here we've got company brand name in the first one, and that's where you'd put your company name or your manufacturer name, and then a description that gets displayed to consumers. So when they're shopping on a person's website, whether it be Specialty Toys Network site or anybody else's, this is the description that describes your company, so it should be some marketing copy. And then there's the other one, another field, which is the description to the retailers. To the retailers means that the retailers using our system, or they'll be able to read your marketing copy as well as see your address information, that which we'll receive from you. And then there's also the logo, your manufacturer logo here. Then below, if you have brands, like for example, I put Mattel, then below that I put a couple of their brand names, and then you'd probably have a couple of, these filled out with marketing copy for your brands that get displayed to the consumer. And then if you wanted to put marketing copy for the retailers, you could do here, but typically you just use the one for the manufacturer because that's what the retailers would be into. And then logos for your brands. And these then get populated and brought and shared with all the retailers, and then in effect basically supporting your branding and keeping that intact with all your products. The fifth tab is image directions, and this basically describes what images we like to get. Now, just so you know, we accept any format of images. The higher the resolution, the better. The challenge is just getting them transported to us. We accept them on CD, and you can mail them to us. We also have FTP, so you can FTP them up to our FTP directory, or if you have an FTP directory you want us to grab them from, you can provide that to us. Or as well, in the population of the data, you'll see that we have 6 fields for images. And here, where you put the image name, you could also put the image URL. So for example, say you have them on your server someplace. If you just put the URL, we could also grab them too. We have a tool in place that'll just go grep those or grab them and pull them down into our system, and then we process them and get them ready for everyone. I'm not going to go through each of these fields, but they are, like I said, all very important and will help you get your products sold through the channels, the retailer channels, with the more information that you can provide. Now once you've got this filled, out, just send it to us. You can email it to us. You can submit it through our website. You can put it on a CD and mail it to us, email it, whatever it may be. We're always very flexible in how we can receive your product data, and we're here to help you. So if you have any questions, like always, give us a call, and we will do our best to help you get this data put out there for everybody to use. That's it. Thank you for your time, and have a good year.